You use this appliance to bake cookies, heat lasagna, and cook pizza. This machine keeps the juice fresh, the butter hard, and the ice cream frozen. You use this object to turn ingredients into a smooth drink. This appliance makes slices of bread hot and crispy in a few minutes. You use this tool when you want to cut tomatoes, onions, or meat. You wear this item over your clothes so you do not get dirty while cooking. This object protects your hands when you carry something extremely hot. You use this large spoon to serve soup or stew into bowls. This appliance boils water quickly for tea or coffee. You use this tool to remove the skin from potatoes, carrots, or apples. This machine washes plates, cups, forks, and spoons automatically. You use this flat object to safely cut vegetables without damaging the table. This tool has small, sharp perforations used to slice foods like cheese and vegetables into small pieces. This appliance cooks food on top with fire or heat from burners. You use this object to measure ingredients like milk or flour when cooking. This object is used to carry drinks, plates, or snacks from one place to another. You use this kitchen tool to mix eggs fast and make them fluffy. You usually store cookies, sugar, or jam inside this glass container with a lid. You use this appliance to heat food quickly when you are hungry and in a hurry. This object lets water flow when you wash your hands or dishes. You use this metal container to cook soup, pasta, or rice. This round metal object is perfect for frying eggs or pancakes. This object is usually made of paper or cloth and helps clean your mouth while eating. You drink hot chocolate, coffee, or tea from this large cup. This object stores food, spices, plates, or cups behind doors in the kitchen. You use this object to pour water, juice, or milk easily into glasses. This kitchen tool separates liquid from small, solid pieces. This appliance mixes ingredients together to help make cakes or bread. You use these long, thin sticks to eat noodles, rice, or sushi. This kitchen tool helps flip pancakes, eggs, or burgers while cooking. Hey English learners, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to support us. Check the link below for more fun activities. See you next time!